I'm going to give you just a brief 2-3 minute update on the state of the insurance industry. So I'm going to talk really quickly about a couple of trends and changes that are happening in our industry, some problems you're all going to have as consumers, whether it's personal insurance like home and auto or commercial insurance that you're buying, and then I'm going to talk about some possible solutions for you. So two big things that are happening in our industry right now. First one is consolidation, and the consolidation that's happening in our industry is actually at the local level. And by that I mean the people you're buying insurance from, like me, agents, are retiring and selling their businesses at a rate we've never seen before in our industry, okay? The second thing that's happening is the insurance companies, so Nationwide, Travelers, State Farm, the big names that are actually writing your policies, they're undergoing some problems right now, things that you're familiar with, like supply chain issues, economic factors like that. Bad drivers, who's seen bad drivers since COVID? Who is a bad driver since COVID? Put your hands down. Okay. And weather trends, right? Okay. Who heard the tornado sirens here in Naperville a couple weeks ago? Yeah. And then we had a tornado in White Eagle last year, right? We had a tornado in here in Naperville the year before. And prior to that, there had not been a tornado in Naperville since 1911. Okay, 1911. And now we've got, two in a row. I think it touched on Wheaton actually a couple weeks ago, not here in Naperville. So what's happening is the insurance industry is a lagging indicator of the economy. Okay, where you may be seeing changes all for these types of issues and other factors at the gas station or the grocery store happening in real time. Think about your insurance policy, which is a guaranteed price for a year, sometimes more. So the insurance industry, when we're undergoing these changes, these pricing issues, we just can't change your price in the middle of your policy. And so what's happening now, you're seeing these systemic shocks, price changes. We're seeing, get ready, buckle up if you haven't seen your home and auto increase of 30 to 60%. It's coming. And when insurance companies are in financial duress, they correct things by raising prices and also making policies worse, right? They give you a higher deductible, they take away coverage, and so consumers right now might be looking at their bill and saying, wow, it's not a good policy, it's not as good as it used to be, and it's costing more. And that's true. So these are the problems we're all posting. You'll see in the back there's a link to a blog post on our website. You can read a little bit more if you can't sleep tonight. Go read about insurance. But things you can do, you can talk to an agent like us, okay? We're an independent agency. That means we represent a whole bunch of different insurance companies, some big ones you've heard of and some smaller boutique companies that just don't advertise a lot. The things we do that are differently, we educate our customers. We have these types of discussions just like we're doing right now, just so you kind of know what's out there. And then we do all the work. We try and find out what's important to you, and then we go out and get you quotes and help you pick out the one that makes the most sense to you. So here's my sponsorship advertisement. We write commercial insurance policies, personal insurance policies, and if you would like to talk to an agent who answers their phone and takes good care of you, we would be a good choice. And that's really all I have to say. If you have questions, we'll be here. Sherry and I will be here to answer questions. And without further ado, I'd like to introduce our guest speakers here, Christine Jeffries from the Naperville Development Partnership and Naperville Mayor Steve Chirico. So thank you both for being here. Thank you all for being here.